TalkieAI Pro review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about the software called TalkieAI Pro. So right now we're on the sales page, and how do you come to the sales page? For that you will see the link below my YouTube video which says grab a TalkieAI Pro copy here. Click on that link and then come to this page where it shows you the only talking heads that actually makes money. 3 clicks, AI engine turns any blog into stunning virtual humans videos that dominates any platform. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, making this much per day, blah blah blah. So you have to just keep scrolling the sales page until you find the demo video somewhere. You can play these clips. Okay, so I'll show you the demo video as well here in a minute, and we'll discuss the bonuses in the end. I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning, so make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to know what the bonuses are, and at the same time if you want to make some real money. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So let's get done with the sales page first and then we'll watch the demo video. So let's quickly see if we have some question answers here. So do you need experience? No. Monthly cost? No. How long does it take to make money? Do I need to purchase anything else? Just buy the OTOs. If I failed, then that's fine. How can I get started? Buy now. Let's play. So this is the software. Where is the button? Let me see. Here is the button. Here is the button. So you can create these videos from templates. These are pre-installed templates, humans, okay? And you have to simply just choose one template and then upload your script here, or use AI to generate the script, and you can choose multiple languages and then just click on upload, then click on generate the video, and it will generate the whole maybe short video of 20 seconds, okay? And then you have the feature of character as well. So character means these things, so not humans but the ones, let me show you in the end. Okay, these are the characters you see, which are like AI, so not humans. So the same thing which human characters will do, these AI characters will do the same thing as well. So the end product is something like this. Okay, so if you want to use these videos for any of your projects or any of your clients' projects, you can go and grab this software using my link below, right? What we got. So let's close this. So you will find this demo video on the sales page somewhere, and let's talk about the OTOs. Or by the way, my bonuses are linked with the sales page. As you can see, this is my bonus URL linked to the sales page, so you can go and buy. And then we have some OTOs. This is front end, and I'm sure when the product goes live you will get some discount coupon as well. And then we have 8 OTOs, so you can pick and choose, because in front end obviously you're smart that you don't get everything unlimited. So if you want unlimited version, go for OTO 1. Okay, I guess that's all. So now just go ahead and watch the demo video and then go and buy from my link below. And if you want my bonuses, then watch the video till the end. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here, and then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab key shacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in chat GPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.